Hey everyone. Okay, today we're gonna get some work done on this. I've cleaned up the intake for the progressive 2-barrel, the Weber. I've cleaned it up. I gotta go get some new primer for this. I like these little nicks, and shows age. As you can see, everything's nice and clean, smooth. If I wanted to, I could probably polish that. It's so clean, right? And I've already taken the carburetor all apart, soaked it all, cleaned all the parts. There's the progressive 2-barrel. I managed to put the bottom together already. So I'm just putting the rest of it together, and I gotta make a video. So there's all the jets and the floats, my torch cleaning kit for the holes. These are all the old parts, just making sure that everything's working good. Got some other things to clean, but so we're gonna put it together. Hopefully I can get it done. Let's just see what we can do. And here's the kit, the Weber 2-barrel progressive carb rebuild. Everything's inside of this kit. It's not a very good kit as far as I'm concerned. As you can see, there's only 2 jets in it. There's no idler jets or air fuel mixture jets. There's only the plunger for the fuel shut off, which is there. That's it, and some ball bearings. But they're for other style carburetors, not this one. But it is what it is. I know this carburetor worked good. Everything looks good inside. A little oxidization for the week is sitting out, but I'll clean them up. As you can see, it's good. There's the idler holes, right? So I'm gonna get on that. Hopefully we get it all rebuilt and put back onto the intake once I get some parts. And that's the greatest carburetor cleaner I've ever had. I got it from the US when I went down. It was good stuff. Cleans all sorts of good carbs. So, but let's get into it. Thanks. Hey everyone, okay. Carburetor's fully rebuilt. Looks really good. Everything dried up nicely. Put some fuel into it to fill the bowl. Just hooked a little pump up to it with a clear tube that came down and into it, so I know the fuel's into it. Once the gravity fed is in, give it a few pumps until some comes out, and then you just pull the lid back off and you see how high the float is. I should have showed it in a video, but it just took too long, so I got it all finished anyways. Looks good and clean. But that's about as far as I'm gonna get today. I gotta go do some running around, so thanks for watching, and maybe we'll see you on the next ones. Take care, like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye.